What's happening, my people? So it's your boy Chance Jollibet, aka Smooth, back with another video. So today, got another unboxing, another review from REPDOG. Appreciate them for sending this pack through, man. Let's check it out. Let's see what this entails. Alright, so we see the pack right here. Got a little bit of size to it, man, a little bit of thickness. So you see it. About to crack this open, man. See what they got up in here. Some summer drip. Nah, not really. It's a little too thick for the summertime, but still some fly stuff. Something to have my eye on. Just try something little. I want to say try something different, but this some essentials, man. So I've did essentials on the channel a lot, but another colorway, monochromatic outfit. You might want this in your collection. Let's check it out. Alright, so open this pack up, man. We see they got two items right here, man. So we're gonna check these things out. Let's see, we're gonna start from left to right or whatever. I'm gonna try to do an on body review as well. I want you to want to put this on and let you see what this looking like, but we're just gonna show them first. So let's start off with this pack right here. Looking through it, I think this is gonna be the pants for the outfit, because it's a whole pretty much a little outfit. You can switch it up and mix and match it up if you want, but so check this out. Let me see. They got a little bit of paper for freshness, keep it crisp. But this right here, you see, got the white pants. Like, plus of it is like white fly, super clean. Bad thing about it is hard to keep super clean, so it's not gonna take a lot. Anybody just brush it, it's gonna get dirty. But look, you check it out, man. You see that that favorite guy right there. I think that is clean. I like the way that they did that, the way that this is looking. Let me see, they ain't like a little sticker or something. But anyways, so check that out, man. See how that's looking. Another thing I love about essentials as well, I love the drawstrings. So they got the long drawstrings in that area. You see on the crotch area, they got the Fury guy type stuff. So fly guy type-ish. At the bottom, they have the elastic right there. So you're gonna see these on body, see the little tag and stuff. And these aren't like, they're not like any Nike Tech fleece or anything. You see this, these have a little bit of, they got some weight to them, they got some size. They're gonna be like slightly baggy. Go true to size if you, depend on your size. Like, you see me, little brother, man, like, I wear a small, so I get a small. And you're gonna see how this is fitting on the body and stuff. But this is the first one. We're gonna go into the next item. So this is next up right here. See that, turn it around. See the essentials and stuff. Another size small item. This is not appropriate for the time, because right now it is summertime that I'm reviewing this. But it is one of the dope pieces. Like essentials, they have very dope hoodies and stuff, man. So wanted to have a monochromatic set, especially like whenever the winter time comes and stuff. I think I have like, well, I got some sweatshirts. I think I have like one pair of pants, but I got a few shorts and stuff. I just wanted to switch up the colors and whatnot. I didn't really have any white essentials, so I just got the white set. So you check it out. I like the hood on the essentials. They got a really big hood. Got a big hood on them. I like that essentials at the top. So you check it out. Very thick. So this pretty much all I need, especially like for winter time. I don't even need a jacket. Like, this would be good. This is thick enough to substitute for a jacket for me. Or if you are in a colder climate and you put a monochromatic essentials outfit together, you can put a jacket on top of it and stuff, man. You can still be fly. There's a lot of ways you can finagle it and put it to your advantage, how you want to drip it out and stuff. You see the essentials on the front. I like that. That is like that clear type material. Like it's not black or anything. It just matches with the stuff. So it is all like one color. So there's a few kind of shoes I got these Jordan like Croc type shoes, man. I'm gonna just keep these on, and like that kind of goes with the fit. Even though I only kind of wear that around the house, it's kind of like my house slippers. It wouldn't be too bad. Like it's an outfit, like because you see like a lot of people that wear the Fear of God stuff. They usually have them like Fear of God moccasin type shoes and stuff. Like not really my thing, but I'm not mad at it. But anyways, so you see that very big. Like this is small, but you see the sleeves and stuff, man. It got some bagginess to it, man. It got some heft to it. Very thick, nice material. But you're gonna see how it looks on body, man. We're gonna do that in 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. So see what this looks like on body, man. So as I said, it's not like it's not like tech fleece or anything. You see, it's not tight. Like you got some room, very baggy-ish type stuff. See the hoodie. The hoodie got some heft to it. Got a little bit of bagginess. So it's not gonna be too restrictive or anything. Thick material. See the hood, nice size. They don't have any drawstrings on the hood itself. So it just fits like this. But you see, I like the color. The color of it is very dope. And this is like a kind of sale. It says white on the site, but this, I wouldn't say this is necessarily like a white. It's more like an eggshell or cream or something like that. But very nice, man. Check it out. I don't know where you are. I don't think too many places really you can wear this right now. Even though a lot of kids really are rocking like shorts and hoodies and stuff. You be hot as hell. Kids still be wearing the hoodies or whatever. Maybe if you play ball and you on an AAU circuit and you be in cold gyms or something. Maybe. But outside, you're going to have a sunstroke. But fall time comes, that's whenever it's time to get your stuff. Don't wait until it gets cold. Get your stuff now, and then by the time it comes, when the cold front gonna hit, you'll be set. You'll already have your stuff. So this right here, see the drawstrings, very low or whatever. I like that look. Comfortable right here. Comfortable, baggy. Very nice, man. So shout out to REPDOG. 30% off code TTE1. So TTE1, you get a promo code, and like that'll help the channel as well, as far as like future pickups or whatever. If y'all want to see different reviews and whatnot. But like, comment, subscribe. Don't be the greatest and the most hated, man. Holla at your boy. Peace.